Instructional design in higher education has never been as important as it has during the pandemic of 2020. Online learning requires an intentional approach to teaching and asking ourselves whether our teaching habits are serving the needs of our constituents effectively, what are the goals of each course, and how they can be achieved successfully using an online approach. Assure is an instructional design model that has the goal of producing more effective teaching and learning. ASSURE is an acronym that stands for the various steps in the model. The first step in the process is that the instructor should analyze the attributes of the learners. After the analysis of learner attributes, the teacher must state standards and objectives for the learning module. The second S in the acronym stands for Select Strategies, Technology, Media, and Materials. The U stands for how you will utilize the technology, media, and materials you have selected. The R requires that you make plans on how you are going to actively engage your students in the material that you are teaching. And the E requires you to evaluate the impact of your teaching on student learning. The demand for instructional design has exploded over the last decade. One of the biggest surprises may be that traditional classes can also benefit from the learning outcomes and the advantages of different methods of assessment from instructional design. COVID-19 may just go down in history as teaching's greatest transformer.